Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 9th polynomial practice set 3.3. So question number 1 is what? Divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also linear division method and write the quotient and the remainder. So I am writing the question 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Now we are going to solve this sum with the help of synthetic division. So I am writing here, as you can see, what is given? 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is given. So here the coefficient form of dividend is 2m square 3m plus 10. Okay, plus 10 is there. So here coefficient is 2 minus 3 and 10. Okay, the first equation of coefficient form is what? 2 minus 3 and 10. Okay, and the divisor is m minus 5. Okay, and opposite of it is opposite of minus 5 is what? Is 5. Okay, now therefore we'll start the sum. So you have to draw like this figure, and here we have to write 5. Okay, this 5 divisor 5 we have to write here. Then we will write the coefficient number with little space in between. Okay, now this is what? Synthetic method. So here, as you can see, what is given? So we have to draw this type of figure, and after that I have written the divisor 5, which is opposite of minus 5. Then we have written coefficient number, that is 2 minus 3 and 10. In between we have made some space. Okay, now here 2 as it is, it will come down. Okay, now 5 2s are 10, we will write here. Then 10 minus 3 we will get 7. Okay, we will take big number value sign, that is positive. Now here again see 5, 2 as it is we have taken down. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 3 we get 7, and here minus will not come because we have taken the sign of bigger number, that is plus. Now here again 7 5s are 35. Okay, then after adding this both we will get 45. I hope you understood. And this 45 is what? This is our remainder. I hope you are getting what I am doing. Now therefore the coefficient form of the quotient is what? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay, that means 2m plus 7 is what? Quotient. I am writing here. And remainder is 45. Okay, now the same question we will solve in linear division method. Now here I have written the equation 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Now we will use linear division. Here we'll use the method of linear division. Now here divisor is what? Divisor is m minus 5. Okay, this is our divisor. Now as you can see, what is given here? 2m square is given, so we'll write 2m. See, if 2m square is given, if we take 2m with this divisor, we will get what? 2m square. We'll get what? 2m square here. So we are taking, we'll include this m minus 5. After this 2m square we will get. Okay, are you getting me? We will get 2m square after multiplying. Then here 2 5s are 10. 10 means minus 10 will come. So as you know, we have to change the sign. The opposite of minus 10 is what? Plus 10. I hope you are getting. And the remaining equation as it is we are going to write. Okay, now the second step will be, this will come as it is 2m m minus 5 plus, now here 10 minus 3 will become, 10 minus 3 will become, here m will come, I forgot to write. Now 10 minus 3 will become 7m. Okay, 7m plus 10. Okay, this is a coefficient number, there is no variable. Here again we get what? 7m we got. So the first step as it is I am writing. Now plus 7m, we are having m, so we will multiply this 7 with m minus 5. So we will get 7m. Okay, so I am doing that 7m minus 5. Again as you can see here, 7 5s are minus 35. So again we will change the sign. Here plus 35 will come. After plus 35 plus 10. Now I am writing 2m in bracket minus 2m in bracket m minus 5 plus 7, again m minus 5 plus 45. Okay, now these two brackets are common, so I am writing here m minus 5 and 2m plus 7 plus 45. So here 45 with no variable, it is what? It is a remainder. And quotient is what? Quotient is therefore quotient is 2m plus 7. Okay, and remainder is 45. As you can see, we get the similar answer in both method. I hope you understood. If you won't, then check the next question which I am going to solve. Now second question is what? X is to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. So first we will use synthetic method to solve this. So I am writing, see the coefficient from form of the dividend x is to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, the coefficient of this equation is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now divisor is x plus 2. Okay, so we are having here x plus 2, and opposite of plus 2 is what? Is minus 2. Okay, opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Now the divisor is what? Minus 2, and we have to write the coefficient numbers in this way. Okay, now here you can see 1 is given, so we will take 1 down. Okay, 1 multiply by minus 2, we will get minus 2. Okay, this will become 0. Now again minus minus will become 0. Again minus 2 multiply by, now we got 0, so now 0 will multiply with minus 2, will get again 0. Okay, now answer come 3. Again 3 multiply by minus 2 will get minus 6. Now minus, after doing minus 6 with 4 will get minus 2, because the bigger sign is what? Minus. Bigger number sign is minus, so we are taking minus here. Now again minus 2 multiply by minus 2, we will get plus 4. Now here we get 9, and this 9 is what? This 9 is what? Remainder. This is remainder. Therefore coefficient form of the quotient is 1, 0, 3 and minus 2. Therefore the quotient is what? The quotient will be x 3 plus 3x minus 2. Okay, and remainder is 9. I hope you understood what is synthetic division. Now we are going to use linear method. So here linear method. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So please follow the steps, that is very important. Now here question is what? X is to 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5, and divisor is what? Divisor is x plus 2. Now here as you can see, what is given? X is to 4 is given, and here we are having x plus 2. Okay, now if we take x cube, then we'll get x plus, if we take x cube and if we multiply this with x plus 2, when we multiply this both, we will get x is to 4. So we are taking here x cube in bracket x plus 2. So as you can know that we have already changed the sign, okay, in this step, but here we have not changed the sign. Now here x cube in bracket x plus 2 will come, okay. Now here as you can see, when we multiply this both, we will get x is to 4, but when we multiply this both equation, we'll get plus 2x cube, okay. Now we are getting plus 2x cube. So here we will change the sign, so we'll get minus 2x cube. So I'm taking here minus 2x cube, again plus 2x cube, and the remaining equation as it is we are going to write plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, okay. Now we have solved this part, okay. Now next step is what? This as it is, it will come x cube in bracket x plus 2, again minus 2x. Now here you can see there is minus 2x cube and plus 2x cube, this both get cancelled. Now after this step we will get plus 3x square, okay. Now again this 3x square, here you can see there is a square, x square, so here also we can take this equation x plus 2, then we will get what? 3x square, like this. So I'm taking here x plus 2. Now 3x square we will get here, and now here we are getting 3 2s are 6, we are getting plus 6 we are getting. Now what we will do? We will do as minus 6x, okay. When we multiply 3x with 2 we will get plus 6x, but we will change the sign, then we will get minus 6x, okay. I think you are understanding, and the remaining as it is we have to write plus 4x plus 5. Now next step is this whole thing will come as it is, so I am writing the whole equation will come as it is up to here. Now here you can see what is given. Now here you can see we have to minus this both, then we will get minus 2. Now again here also we are getting x, so we will take what? 2x plus 2, okay. Then when we multiply we will get 2x here, so I am writing here x plus 2, okay. And when we multiply 2 into x we will get 2x, and 2 2s is what? Plus 4, okay. We will get what? Plus 4 we will get, so I am writing here plus 4 and plus 5. Now here you can see we are having 3 common factor, so we will write x plus 2. The next step we will write x cube plus 3x minus 2. Again here 4 plus 5 is what? 9, okay. This 9 is what? This is our remainder, therefore the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2, and remainder is 9. See, in both method we got similar answer. I hope you understood. Again I will solve question number 3 now. Now here question number 3 is what? Y cube minus 216 then bracket divided by y minus 6. So here first we will use synthetic division. So first we will write the dividend in index form. So I am writing the dividend in index form is, this is our dividend, we are writing y cube plus 0 y square plus 0 y minus 216. Now coefficient form is, coefficient form is, as you can see, this is 1, second one is 0, third one is 0, again minus 126. This is a coefficient form. Now the divisor is what? Divisor is y minus 6 and opposite of minus 6 is 6. Okay. Now what will come here? As you can see here, divisor is what? 6. Okay, divisor we are having 6. Okay, and we are going to write the coefficient 0 0 minus 2 1 6. Here this 1 will come down. Now 1 6 6. This 6 again come down. Again here the 6 will come down. Now 6 6 36. Then we minus, will get the same number, that is 36. Now again 36 6 will get 216, means that is 0. So here 0 is our remainder. Okay, I hope you are getting. Now therefore coefficient form of the quotient is 1, 6 and 36. Okay, and therefore quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36 and remainder is 0. Now we are going to solve the same equation in linear method. As you can see, there is a y cube minus 216 coefficient number is given. So here we are having divisor as y, divisor we are having y minus 6. Divisor is what? Y minus 6. So we already have y. So when we are having y cube. So if we want to multiply y minus 6 with it, so we will write here y square. Okay, if we write y square, when we multiply this both, we will get y cube. So I am writing here y minus 6. Okay, I hope understanding. Now the remaining, what is given, remaining is what? when we multiply this both, we will get y cube. Now when we multiply with both this, we'll get 6y minus 6y. So when we are getting minus 6y, that also square, because it is square, so minus 6y square we will get. Now we will change here sign, we will get plus 6y square. So I am writing 6y plus 6y square, and the remaining number is what? Minus 2, 1, 6. I hope you are understanding. Now this equation I am writing here because it is very congested here. So I am writing here plus 6y square minus, see, there is a cube, so we multiply this, and when we multiply this both, we will get y cube, and when we multiply both, we will get what? Minus 6y square. Then we have changed this sign, and we have written this here plus 6y square minus 216. Okay, now we will move to next step. Now this will come as it is, y square in bracket y minus 6. Now here we are having 6y square, again we are having y here, 6y, 2y are there, so y square, so we will take 6y and y minus 6. So when we multiply, we will get 6y square. So I am writing here plus 6y and in bracket y minus 6. Okay, when we multiply this both, we will get 6y square. Now when we multiply this both, we will get minus 36y. So we will change the sign of this, we will get plus 36y. So I am writing here plus 36y, and the remaining minus 216. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now again here, as you can see, this whole equation will come as it is. I am writing here y square y minus 6 plus 6y y minus 6 in bracket. Now here plus 36 we are having. Again we are having y, so I am writing 36y in bracket. We'll take this y minus 6. Okay, we took this inside the bracket and we multiply with our divisor. So here, as you can see, the remaining part will come as it is. Okay, the remaining part will come as it is. See here, 36 multiplied by y, it came. Now 36 multiplied by 6 will get 216. Okay, when we are getting this, we will get in minus form, so we will change as a plus form. So here plus will come. Okay, when we multiply this both, we get plus 216, and after that what is coming? Minus. Here I am writing minus 216. I hope you are understanding. Now next step is, as you can see here, this is plus 216 and this is minus 216. This both will get cancel, and here we will get equation of this both. There is a common factor y minus 6, and after that y square plus 6y plus 36. Okay, this is our quotient. We got this as a quotient, therefore the quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36, and here we got the remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay, we got the remainder as 0. I am not writing here 0, I have directly written here 0, as you can see that we already cancel this both and we got what? 0 here. I hope you understood question number 1, 2, 3 of synthetic division and linear method. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. The remaining question 4, 5, 6 I will solve in part 2. Thank you.